Hi there. It's been a time since we last met because I was really thinking as to what new great cocktail I should make for all of you. And let me confess over here, I'm going to make a cocktail called the Whiskey Sour. And as the name suggests, it's got whiskey as a base. And leave alone making it, I hadn't even tried it till a week ago. The reason was that whenever I saw it in a menu in any bar, I always thought the combination of egg and whiskey just didn't gel to me. You know, egg with toast, egg with sausage, great, but egg with whiskey, I just couldn't get myself to ordering it. So with a little bit of prodding from some friends who are whiskey drinkers and who love this cocktail, I thought let me try it once on my own with an open mind. And I did, and I was blown away by the fantastic nature of this cocktail. I just loved it and I couldn't wait to share it with you. So let's get started. So what do we need for it? We need a whiskey. Today I'm going to use JD instead of normal Scotch, considering the new generation prefers it. I need some bitters. I need one lemon juice, some sugar syrup and an egg white. What we're going to do is we're going to use a concept called a dry shake today. So we're not going to add any ice right now. I'm just going to add the egg white. I'm going to add the lemon juice, the sugar syrup, and I'm going to put in a dash of bitters. And to this, I'm going to add 60 ml of Jack Daniels. Give it a shake. And you'll see it'll have a really nice, luxurious look to it. I'm going to add the ice now and give it another shake. That's good. And to garnish, a slice of orange, and just look at this. Very luxurious looking, and it'll taste great too. And it's so healthy, full of proteins, you can consider having your breakfast with these eggs next Sunday. Cheers.